And here we are back at the tree. It's still stood. I'll have to put what day on. I think I'm not sure what day we're on. 600 and something. Probably 615 or 16, something like that. I don't know. I'll have to look at the calendar. Check it out. But she's still stood up. No sign of falling down yet. Well, there's much left to fall down, but anyway. There we go. Tree watch. And crows on the other tree that's going the same way. On the crow tree. That'll be the next one we film after this has fallen down. That one's pretty much looking the same all the way down. Some little top branches that the crows like to sit. So that's crow tree.